The cosmos beckons, an eternal siren song promising wonder, knowledge, and the ultimate frontier. For decades, humanity has launched its dreams into the void, reaching for stars, planets, and the very origins of existence. Yet for every triumphant mission, a moon landing, a Mars rover, a distant probe, there lies a graveyard of ambition, lost space projects. These aren't just mere failures, they are grand visions, daring designs, and revolutionary technologies that, for myriad reasons, never fully materialized. They represent the road not taken, the incredible futures we almost grasped. Imagine, for instance, a colossal spacecraft propelled by nuclear bombs. Project Orion, conceived in the late 1950s, was such a radical idea. Instead of conventional rockets, Orion would detonate small atomic bombs behind a massive pusher plate, riding the resulting shockwaves into space. The sheer audacity was staggering. Calculations showed it could reach Mars in weeks, Saturn in months, carrying hundreds of tons of payload. It was the ultimate heavy lifter, a direct path to interplanetary travel, born from the dawn of the nuclear age. But the ethical and practical nightmare of launching nuclear detonations from Earth's atmosphere, coupled with the eventual partial test ban treaty, sealed its fate. Orion, a testament to both human ingenuity and potential folly, remained an extraordinary blueprint, a whisper of what could have been. Its legacy, however, pushed the boundaries of propulsion physics, inspiring later concepts, even if its direct lineage was cut short.
The Cold War ignited a fiercely competitive space race, pushing both the United States and the Soviet Union to unprecedented technological heights. While the world watched Apollo claim the moon, behind the Iron Curtain, the Soviets harbored even grander, albeit ultimately doomed, ambitions. Their colossal In-1 rocket, designed to take cosmonauts to the moon, was their answer to Apollo's Saturn V. But the In-1 became a symbol of catastrophic failure, with all 4 test launches ending in spectacular explosions, most famously destroying its launch pad in 1969 with an energy equivalent to a tactical nuclear weapon. Its repeated failures, a combination of design flaws, manufacturing shortcuts, and a culture of secrecy, effectively ended the Soviet manned lunar program, consigning it to the annals of what-ifs. Meanwhile, both superpowers also dreamed beyond the moon. The Soviet Union harbored plans for manned missions to Mars, like the TMK, Heavy Interplanetary Ship concept, which envisioned a nuclear-powered spacecraft carrying a small crew on a multi-year journey to the Red Planet as early as the 1970s. The US, not to be outdone, toyed with its own ambitious projects. Dinosaur, short for Dynamic Soarer, was a fascinating military spaceplane project from the 1950s and 60s. Designed to be launched into orbit atop a rocket, it would then glide back to Earth, capable of both reconnaissance and bombing missions. It was a vision of reusable spaceflight long before the space shuttle, but shifting priorities, rising costs, and technological complexities led to its cancellation in 1963. These lost projects weren't just about reaching milestones. They were about projecting power, claiming supremacy, and pushing the very limits of human endeavor, often with a profound disregard for the immense risks involved.
With the Cold War receding, the rationale for space exploration shifted, yet the allure of deep space remained. However, this era saw grand plans falter, not due to technological impossibility, but often to the harsh realities of budget constraints and shifting political winds. NASA's Constellation program, initiated in the early 2000s, stands as a prime example. Conceived as America's return to the moon and a stepping stone to Mars, Constellation aimed to replace the aging space shuttle fleet with new launch vehicles, Ares 1 and Ares 5, and a crew capsule, Orion, distinct from the nuclear bomb concept, for lunar missions. The program envisioned the Altair lunar lander, capable of carrying 4 astronauts to the moon's surface, establishing a permanent lunar outpost, and eventually propelling humans to Mars. Billions of dollars were invested, prototypes were built, and hundreds of companies were engaged. Yet, despite its ambitious goals and significant progress, Constellation was canceled in 2010 by the Obama administration. The reasons cited were over budget, behind schedule, and lacking innovation. Critics argued it was essentially recreating Apollo with modern technology, rather than truly pushing new boundaries. While elements like the Orion capsule survived and evolved into the Artemis program, The integrated vision of Ares rockets and Altair landers for a sustained lunar return was lost. This cancellation underscored a persistent challenge, maintaining long-term political and financial commitment to incredibly expensive, multi-decade space endeavors, especially when leadership changes, priorities shift, and the immediate geopolitical urgency diminishes. The promise of boots on Mars by the 2030s, once a tangible goal, receded once more into the realm of distant dreams.
The ledger of lost space projects is a stark reminder of the immense challenges inherent in venturing beyond Earth. Whether due to insurmountable technical hurdles, ethical dilemmas, prohibitive costs, or the fickle nature of political will, these projects teach us invaluable lessons. They show us that every successful launch is built upon countless trials and errors, and that even the most brilliantly conceived ideas can be derailed. The very act of attempting them, however, pushed the boundaries of science and engineering, nurturing generations of brilliant minds and spawning countless technological spin-offs that benefit life on Earth. Today, a new era of space exploration is dawning, characterized by the rise of private companies alongside traditional space agencies. This re-energized landscape offers both new possibilities and new risks. Concepts like SpaceX's Starship or Blue Origin's New Glenn are breathtaking in their ambition, aiming for destinations once reserved for science fiction. But even these face their own battles with engineering complexity, regulatory hurdles, and immense financial pressures. The graveyard of lost projects serves as a perpetual cautionary tale. Space is hard, unforgiving, and immensely expensive. Yet it also stands as a testament to humanity's unyielding drive to explore, to innovate, and to reach for the impossible. For in every lost dream lies a lesson learned, a stepping stone for the next generation of explorers, urging us ever onward into the boundless cosmos, knowing that even our greatest failures illuminate the path to future triumphs.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.